This video is for you if you are running a blog website and looking for the fastest way to generate content for your blog website. The video is also for you if you have a business website and want to use blog posts to drive traffic to your business website, but struggling to get the right content for your website. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to write a blog post fast. I will not only show you how to write a blog post fast, but I will show you how to write a blog post fast that will rank better on search engines. I will even give you a bonus, that is if you watch till the end of this video. So if you are looking for a way to write a blog post fast, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. To get started, click on the very first link in the description down below, or go over to your browser and enter dikupages.com/anyword. Hit enter, and it will bring you to this platform, that is anyword.com. Anyword is an AI tool that you can use to write copies with predictable results. This platform will not only help you to write blog posts, but you can use it to generate effective copy ads, emails, landing pages, and any kind of content. So these are the various areas you can actually use Anyword in order to generate content. You can use it to generate Facebook ads, Google search ads, Twitter ads, YouTube description, YouTube titles, and many more. But in this tutorial, we are going to be concentrating on how we can write a blog post very fast. So if you land on this page, all what you need to do is enter your email here and start for free. Or you can even go ahead and sign up with your Google account. It is pretty easy to sign up. I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and log into my account and show you how you can actually go ahead and create a blog post very fast. After logging in, it will take you to an interface like this. All what you need to do is go ahead and click on Blog Wizard. Next, click on New Project. In here, in the first field is where you describe the blog post you want to write. So I'll just click in here and I'll go ahead and describe my blog post. I want to write about how to make money online. Next is industry. I'll choose finance. So in here, I have business and finance. And you can go ahead and enable SEO keywords, which is optional. For this tutorial, I'm not going to use this. Next, I click on next. And it will generate a title for me. And these are the various titles that are generated for me. And I'll go ahead and choose the one with the highest score, which is 79. However, if you want more, you can go ahead and generate more from here. I just go ahead and choose this. Then I click on next. Now it's generating an outline based on the title. So these are the various 8 ways I'll be writing my blog post on, which the AI is generating for me. Awesome. So I have affiliate marketing, contest, social media influencer, starting an e-commerce site, write an ebook, start a podcast, become a virtual assistant, and finally Amazon FBA. I click on next, and now it's generating an intro paragraph. So these are the various intro paragraph it has given me, and you see that the first one has the highest score, so I'll go ahead and select it. You can even decide to write your own intro paragraph by clicking on this link. We are not going to do that since we want the AI to write everything for us. I click on next. The setup is complete. I click on continue to editor. So for the first point, I can generate the content from here. You can even go ahead and add in some instructions based on the topic here. You can add some keywords if you want. I'm not going to do any of this. Next is length of the content. You can drop down the arrow here and choose short, medium, or long. For this tutorial, I want to make it long. Then I go ahead and generate. The content is generated. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue. Now if I scroll to the top, at the moment I have 155 words in total, and I'll advise that you get a minimum of 600 words. So going down to the next subtopic, I don't like what the AI has generated for me here, so what I do is I click in here and I go ahead and take it off. Then I go ahead and enter my own content. membership website. Then I go ahead and generate the text by choosing long generate. It is generated. So similarly, I go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of the sections, and I'll do this pretty quick and get back to you. Alright, I've generated everything. I even went ahead to add 2 more sections, that is digital downloads and YouTube channel. And finally, I generated a conclusion. So going up, I have a total of 932 words. Remember I said I'll give you a bonus if you watch towards the ending of the video. Having generated your content, I want to show you how you can add it to your website. That is if you are using a WordPress website. So all what I need to do is go ahead and click on copy. Then I can go over to my website. I've logged into my website. Next, I go over to post and I click on add new. Now, if you don't have a blog website yet, I'll leave a video link in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how you can create your very own blog website. So in here, I go ahead and paste in the content. So now instead of 8 ways, I'll change this to 10 ways. Awesome. Next, I go ahead and change these headings to H3 headings. So what I do is I click in here and I go ahead and press enter so that the heading will appear as a paragraph. I just select it. Then I go ahead and click on paragraph. I change this to a heading and I'm going to go ahead and make it H3 heading. So similarly, I do the same thing to the rest of the headings. And I will do this pretty quick and get back to you. Alright, I've changed all the headings to H3 headings. Next, I go over to post. Going down, I can go ahead and add a category. So I say make money online. Then I go ahead and click on add. I can also go ahead and add in some tags. I already have this here, so I just click on it to select it. Going down is featured image. I set a featured image. I already have my featured image in my computer, so I go ahead and drag it and drop it in here. The image is uploaded. In the alt text, I'll just go ahead and copy the title and I paste it in here. I can even add it as my description, and I go ahead and set featured image. The featured image is shown here. Next, I go ahead and click on publish. Publish again. My post is published. I can go ahead and view it from here. And I have a beautiful blog post as simple as that. Perfect. So that's it on how to write a blog post fast using AI. Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching and I will see you in the next one.